Hi, today we are going to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. So here they have given 30 kilometers per hour to meters per second. I write 30 kilometers per hour can be written as kilometers over hours. You know, 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. Then 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds. So 60 minutes 60 into 60 seconds. Then 1 hour 60 into 60 seconds. So 1 hour 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. I write here 30 times 1 kilometer 1000 meters over 1 hour 3600 seconds. Then I can simplify. 0 cut 0, 0 cut 0, 6 times 6, 6 times 5, 2 times 3, and 2 times 5. 5 times 5, 25 over 3 meters per second. 25 divided by 3, that is 8.33 recurring meters per second. That's the answer. Next question. Convert 5.4 kilometers per hour to meters per second. That is 5.4 kilometers over hour. Then you know 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters, and 1 hour 3600 seconds. Then I can write here 5.4 times 1 kilometer means 1000 meters over 1 hour means 3600 seconds. And I can simplify. 0 cut 0, 0 cut 0, 5.4 into 10, that is 54 over 36 meters per second. 54 and 36 can be cancelled by 6. 6 times 6, 6 times 9. Then 9 and 6 can be cancelled by 3. 3 times 2, 3 times 3. 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5 meters per second.